Draw and correct.
Welcome to Cute Learning. Let's draw letter C and learn words starting with C. C for car.
C for car.
C for cookies.
C for cookies.
C for cow.
C for cow.
C for carrot.
C for carrot. C for cat.
C for cat. C for chocolate.
C for chocolate.
C for cabbage.
C for cabbage.
Please like and subscribe.
This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played six. He played knick-knack on my sticks with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played seven. He played knick-knack up in heaven with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played eight. He played knick-knack on my gate with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.